This man is about to risk his life in order to stop the spinning excavator. At first glance, you might think he's an idiot for doing this. However, a malfunctioning excavator with no driver would cost millions of dollars for repairs. In order to stop this, he decides to try and turn this machine off. But then, luckily, he dodged a nuke by barely escaping the spinning death, almost turning into two separate pieces. So he tries again this time, but with caution. After what it felt like an eternity, he finally pulled it off, barely escaping and dying to the machine. Now, would you have the guts to do this?